No verdict today. It was the first full day of jury deliberations in the Karen Reed retrial.
And no change in the verdict form, despite a defense bid to amend it. Here's NBC 10's Katie Benoit live in Dedham tonight. Katie?
Jean Patrice, the jury had no questions for the judge today, but meanwhile, Karen Reed's defense team asked the judge to make changes to this verdict slip that goes to the jury. No verdict yet after a full day of deliberations in Dedham. Karen Reed is accused of backing into her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV and leaving him to die in 2022. The Bristol County woman has pleaded not guilty to 3 charges, including second-degree murder and manslaughter while operating a car under the influence of liquor.
All right, so Mr. McDermott handed me something that I'm going to go read.
Today, Reed's attorneys pushed for a not guilty option to be included with the lesser included offenses on the jury's verdict slip. Adding the form is confusing for the jury. Last year, a mistrial was declared after 5 days of deliberations with a deadlocked jury.
I think what happened last year with the same verdict form explains that the jurors themselves found it confusing, and have said as much, so we just wanted to avoid that again, and apparently the court is not concerned. So we'll just move forward and wait on the jury.
The motion was denied. Judge Beverly Cannone says the verdict form is consistent with Massachusetts law. And as the jury of 7 women and 5 men continues combing through weeks of evidence, the crowd outside grows. Supporters of Reed's have been lining the area across the street from the courthouse.
I felt like I really needed to be here this year.
I feel like so invested because I've spent so many hours watching all the different coverage of this, and I just want to see her be able to walk right out of those stairs as a free woman.
And the jury will be back deliberating tomorrow. So far in total, they've spent less than 10 hours deliberating. Live in Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.
Be sure to catch my daily debrief with Katie and our legal analyst. We break it down every day. After court is over, it's posted on the NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel. Runs on NBC 10 News at 7, and I have it on the radio on WPRO.